Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Do we have any other attachments? Trying to get bigger map, especially this one. Would be so good. Hello, hello. Spider-Man. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Where are they, man? I don't see them. There's no one. I don't see anyone. Nice. This is a bird. Let's go. Gotcha. You're not dead? Oh no. Goodbye. Man, this weapon has so much recoil. Careful, careful. Damn. I ain't that my man. Hiya, can you give me ammo?
Here's some ammo for you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Thank you, bot. Goodbye. No way.
Fuck! Medic!
Medic! I think this is risky, man. Let's not wait. Oh my goodness. I see nobody. Only one guy. This weapon has so much damage. Go, 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 go. On the roof, right? What the heck? Where is this guy?
Bravo's under enemy control.
They keep coming, dude. Nice, nice, nice.
Watching down!
Objective marked. We need you supporting the attack. Right, keep this up and the fight is on. Let's get it done.
Oh shit.
Bravo has been neutralized.
Goodbye.
Objective Bravo captured by hostiles.
Enemy hit!
Got no ammo. He's low, he's low, he's low. Help me, Ayo! Help me!
Ah! Medic!
So funny, man. Oh, oh.
I'm hit!
So funny, man. Oh, oh.
I need a fucking medic!
Yes, you heard that. Nobody helps.
Enemy tank operating in your area, okay?
This is the last round, right?
Throwing front!
Goodbye. Where did you go? Not bad. What is the weapon? GRTBC? There are so many new weapons. Oh, what is that? Fast mag? Should we try that? I'll try that mag, the new one. We may try Battle Royale game mode if you want. Let me go back and check if I can replace some attachments. We have a new mag. 10 bullets only? What? There is no way we can kill people, but it gives us mobility, and nah. It's so stupid. It's very, very stupid. No suppressor, nothing. Nothing here. So many optics, but we don't need them. Nah, man, there is nothing. This one is better, no? At least we're gonna be faster. But it's also expensive. Let's try this one. I don't know, man. It's so stupid. I really find this attachment system so stupid in Battlefield. I don't know. Dun, 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 dun. If I place a big scope for this weapon, it's gonna be uncontrollable. Let's try this one. I'm curious. Let's try one of these optics. Two times. This might be good. Let's try this one. Da, dun, da, dun, da.
All squads, sector defense now. Stop the enemy advance and grind them down.
My god, man.
Fuck! I'm bleeding out! Medic! Ah! Need a medic!
Ah!
Fuck!
Don't fire. Come. You idiots. Grax, he's camping. Be careful. No. Press bot.
Stay with me.
No, man, these guys are terrible. There's a tank. Man, this weapon sucks. I hate these tanks, dude. Let me change the optic. It's really terrible.
We have lost Alpha.
I want us ready for any incoming attack.
I see nobody.
closer set!
Be advised, final sector attack inbound. If we lose head, the whole side falls.
Enemy tank destroyed! Redirect fire! I'm here!
Got you, man. Wake up.
Thank you!
Let's go!
I feel like my FPS is low. Let's drop some graphic settings.
Get back to your squad. Get back to your team.
There's one more tank. Oh my god.
Be advised, hostiles attacking Bravo. Be advised, marked objective under threat. Let's defend the position. Enemy forces are taking a hit. Let's keep going.
What a brilliant experience.
Fuck! Medic!
Can someone rest for the first time, man? Just for the one time.
Drago! I got you!
Man down! Man down!
On your feet! Fuck!
Come on, die already. Nobody tries to kill this tank, man. I'm stuck. I can't move. Stupid game, man. No one is trying to help. Nobody. Kirsche, Kirsche. Fish, fishy. Oh my goodness. Die. How did you see me, man? How did you see me? Come on. I'm just trying to upgrade my weapon. I think this is a good weapon, but we just need better attachments like mag and other stuff. This is so good, man. No, buddy, you died. You are the only one who's trying to rest. Nice try. Nice try, nice try. I think we have the advantage. They cannot come to us. Oh, I missed. Oh, they know I'm shooting them. They know. They hate me. They hate me. Man, for the first time, res me. For the first time. Just for one time. Oh, they are here. Get up.
Enemies close to victory. I need everyone on the offensive. Everyone.
What a timing. GG's. Hopefully we will have new attachments. Just optics. This weapon is terrible with big scopes. This time is going to be different. Keep briefing. Should we try a big scope? But we will shoot them single bullets. What can we change? Any man, this is so expensive. We're gonna use this like a sniper. We need more control. Let's try this a single shot. Single fire mode.
Objective Alpha is in enemy hands.
Pick again.
Be advised, objective marked. We need you supporting the attack.
You gotta pick. Oh wait, we can do something. I'm gonna hip fire. Yeah, I think we're gonna switch optic again. We're gonna go fully hip fire. Hip fire and let's see. Yeah, let's try hip fire. Only hip fire. Graphics, don't die.
We now hold objective Bravo.
Hold the objective! Enemy hit! Hostile down!
Goodbye.
You're covered! Enemy hit! Need a fucking medic! Got one!
Oh no.
Man down! Stay with me!
The enemy has taken Alpha. Be advised, hostiles attacking Bravo.
Ay ay ay.
We're losing soldiers. Stay sharp.
We're losing everyone.
Enemy hit! You're gonna make it! Hold on!
Gotcha.
Our forces are hitting Alpha. The enemy is taking Alpha. Be advised, the enemy is taking Alpha.
I'm getting shot from everywhere.
Need a medic!
You're gonna make it! Hold on! I'm here!
Nah, this is complicated. There is someone else behind us.
Run away!
Get, take the objective! Stay low! Grenade! We got a man down!
Oh my god, that was so rude. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Enemy forces are evacuating the area.
Good job.
Sector is ours.
Sweep the area for all remaining hostiles.
There's no way.
Next sector is clear for attack. Target the objectives.
This is so annoying, man. Can I break it?
Taking casualties. Objective marked. We need you supporting the attack.
Oh. Help me.
I'm bleeding out! Medic! You're alive!
Don't die, guys, don't die. How do we go up?
You're outside the combat area. Return ASAP.
No way. How did my teammates went to the tunnel? He's very low, he's very low. Guys, don't die. I'm coming. Oh, he died as well. I wondered where is the tunnel, man. It was a good idea to go from there. Where is the tunnel? Pull me, please. Pull me.
You're gonna make it! Hold on!
Thank you. Nice try, man. What a grenade. Let's try this side. Take cover, take cover, take cover. Where?
Stop it!
We're tracking you outside the area. Get back.
Alright, alright. Nice shot, buddy.
Enemy positions. We're taking casualties.
Footsteps on the left side.
Be advised, attacks are all needed on the marked objective.
Nice shot, buddy. Why I always go somewhere where there's no place?
Hostiles have secured Alpha.
No, man. Nobody died from a grenade. There are so many grenades. Be careful. Run. No, he died.
The enemy has taken Alpha.
5 people gone there. 5.
I'm fucking hit! I'm hit!
Come here. No, man.
I'm here!
Objective Alpha is in enemy hands.
No, man. This camper guy.
Hold the ground! Man down! Man down!
Like everybody's focusing me, man. There are so many teams in the open. So many teams in the open. I'm in the corner. They still focus on me. Crazy. They can't see me they see me barely.
Our forces have neutralized Alpha.
Sector, sector!
Attack successful. We've taken the enemy sector.
Enemy still present. Hunt them down.
You're leaving the AO. Return to combat.
This is it. This is our final push. Take this sector and the site is ours.
Be advised, hostiles now hold objective Alpha. Be advised, move to attack the marked objective.
Target!
Why I don't have any more grenade? Wake up, man. You sleep too much.
Okay, we've secured Alpha.
Can we go from this side? Ooh, so many graves. It's your turn now. There's no medic, man. We need medics.
You're attacking objective Bravo. Headed for victory. Maintain attack on all
Hold
fronts.
the mission, hold the mission.
Be advised, troop rates down to 50%.
GG's. It was fun game, man. So tense. Look at these weapons, man. All LMGs. Non-stop fighting. Battle mode, and let me see if they are good. No max. This one is better but expensive. What can we switch? I don't need let's try this one. Maybe this will help more. Load speed and improves weapon performance in semi-auto, reducing recoil and increasing accuracy. This one will help us. This weapon is so hard to use. Dun, 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 dun. I'll be back 1 second.
Be advised, enemy forces are advancing on our position. Defend the sector and deplete their numbers.
Where's that rocket?
We have a defense order set.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Objective Alpha has been lost. Airspace is clear. Pilots are free to engage.
Enemy forces have captured Alpha.
Our attack on Alpha is in progress. Bravo has been lost. Objective marked. Support the attack.
Oh, he was next to me.
Oh, le puppy.
Coming in. I've spotted hostile heavy armor in our mission area. Out. Be advised, hostiles have taken the sector. Prepare for incoming attack.
Explosive set!
Why he doesn't die?
Hostile forces incoming. Keep them pinned and exhaust their reserves.
missing all my shots, dude. Crazy. Finally hit him once.
There's a Vic over here.
All right, our troops are secured now.
He's hurt, he's hurt, he's hurt.
Okay, we have eyes on an enemy tank in your area. Attention! Objective Bravo has been secured. Our attack has reduced enemy numbers.
Get the rocket! Who's fucking shot?
Okay, we have secured objective Alpha.
Bring it down!
Mark objective under threat. Defend the position.
Explosive ready.
Attention! Hostiles have seized Bravo.
Enemy hit.
Our troops have
Take cover.
secured Alpha. Visual confirmed on an enemy hero bearing south. Have fun.
Oh, they saw me.
I need a medic. Hey, thanks.
Objective Bravo neutralized.
infantry!
We need defensive support on the marked objective. We no longer control Alpha.
Contact! Enemy tank! Got eyes on enemy tank!
Man, they are so aggressive. John, get up, man. Yeah, I wanted to die because I had no ammo.
Objective Bravo has been secured.
These guys are amazing.
I'm fucking hit!
I'm safe, I'm safe. You can res me. Come on, John, where are you?
I need a fucking medic!
No.
The enemy has secured objective Alpha. Objective Bravo has been secured.
Explosive set!
Objective Bravo has been secured. We now control Bravo. We have depleted most of the enemy forces. We need defensive support on the marked objective.
Contact! Enemy in...
No way.
Stay with me!
The enemy have almost disbanded all reserves.
Here's some ammo for you! Get the rocket everywhere!
Our troops have secured
more ammo. Good job, boys. Good job. Did we unlock any attachments or ration? Don't start, wait, I wanna see. There's optics, and what is this? Attachment. There is no medic yet. No, this is good. Let's not switch that. Nah, there is nothing. There is nothing. I'm coming, don't die.
We are tracking you outside the combat zone.
Nice shot. There's a tank. He's very low, man. Push the tank. Oh no, man. Let's try this one, man. I cannot select from here. No worries.
Stand by.
Heads up, experiment here.
Enemy attack is confirmed. Defend the sector. You are leaving the battlefield. Return to combat.
They will come from everywhere. Goodbye.
Contact! Enemy helicopter!
Enemy attack is underway on Bravo. You're exiting the combat zone. Turn back now.
I see nobody, man.
Defensive position is needed on the marked objective.
Okay, now I see them. Nice music. I'm going to play tank. I'm tired of dying.
Be advised you are leaving the combat area.
No way, man.
Over half their forces. Good work. Objective Bravo has been secured.
Get up, man.
Hell of a good job.
Let's go!
Okay.
Position is needed on the marked objective.
This one is better.
Objective Alpha has been lost. Alpha has been captured by hostiles. Alpha has been captured by hostiles. Alpha has been captured by hostiles. We are attacking objective Alpha. Our troops have neutralized Alpha. Objective marked. Support the attack. All right. Objective Alpha is under control. Objective Bravo has fallen to the enemy.
Let's go to A.
Hostiles are attacking Alpha.
Vehicle down. Need repair.
Objective Bravo. The enemy have expended most of their reinforcements.
Nice, nice, nice.
We have lost objective Alpha. Attack support is needed on the marked objective. Alpha has been captured by hostiles. Enemy forces have captured Alpha. Objective Bravo is under attack. The enemy cannot sustain any more losses. Wipe them out. Attack support is needed on the marked objective.
No way. I think they cannot win this game. It's ours. Wow. I shouldn't have died there with the tank. Agi, don't die! Take cover, man, take cover.
This is our final line of defense. Final sector must hold.
Drop down!
We have eliminated half of their forces. Good work.
Come on, man. Go, go, go! Okay.
Need a medic!
Come on, Saban. How did we lose? How did we lose? How did we lose, man? Nothing. No unlocks. That sucks. Da-dun-da-dun-da-dun-da. If I didn't die with the tank there, we could win 100%. I just saw the tank really late. Let's now try Battle Royale. With this weapon, it's gonna be easier. What up, everyone? Hello, buddy. Kahina Unite. Let's go with this one. Dun, dun. 100 players now. Let's go, brother.
Down there. All right, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Deploying off tether!
Got some mission updates. Review them when you can.
Hey, look at me.
Come here,
Stay
man.
with me. Let's move. Heavy weapon, mark.
Catch a spot. Hey, grab this ammunition.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Gotcha.
Request smoke on my grid point.
Okay, here it comes. You've got a friendly rejoining the fight.
No one else left here?
Got a new mission ready. Alright, you got a mil-spec laptop nearby. Secure it, start the download, and pull the drive.
Thank you.
Data drive will be ready soon. Keep your head on a swivel. Data drive to the exfil point. Drone inbound.
You're gonna be all right.
Get up, man, get up.
Let's move.
Got the drive and data intact. Nice work.
Where did they come from?
Request overwatch. Grid as indicated.
Roger that. Stand by. Enemy comms marked. Grab munitions and flatten the site.
There's a Vic over here.
Go, go, go.
Don't let enemy shooters near that charge.
Here you go.
I need eyes on my position.
Copy. Stand by.
Nobody's here? Cover, cover, cover.
Mission complete. Good work. Send your kit to your loadout. Burn zone's closing in. You'll be compromised if you don't move it. right.
Heads up! Vehicle transport spotted.
Check your mission.
Contact! Enemy infantry engaging.
Take it, take it, take it. We have 2 tanks. Hit the other one as well.
Hey, get away over here! No second chances after this. Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Make your way to that point! Bound over to that location!
We gotta be really careful.
Enemy machine gun!
All right, new mission is up. Mark on your map. Enemy is targeting your Vic. Watch yourself out there.
Gotcha.
Contact! Enemy infantry engaged!
We need to stay here because we are getting we are hunted. You flying, buddy? Yeah, they are starting to fire at us. Get away. I don't know where they are.
Enemy helicopter! Try to take it down!
Get away, get away, get away. They're going to use our bazookas. Fuck, man.
The no-go. Now regroup and don't let up.
I'm hit! I'm hit!
Leave the tank, leave the tank, leave the tank. Fuck.
Fuck! I'm hit!
I got you.
Medic!
Come on! Contact! Stand by!
I'm going to scan, repair tank to runway.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Leave, 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 leave.
Get to that RV point! Move!
I don't have any more missions for you, but that doesn't mean it's safe out there. Keep your guard up. Time to get in close on that enemy pick. Use thermite on it to get the crew to bail. It's just you now. Make every shot count. KIA piling up. Keep taking it to them. Use thermite on that armor. That'll get the crew out of there in no time.
Man, how do they know I'm here? How? What the fuck?
It's over. Regroup
Are
for the
they
next
cheating?
stop.
They didn't scam me, huh? Oh, I understand now. You watched my stream, right? Alright, alright. Makes sense now. It makes sense now. It makes sense now. Grim snipers. Nah, all good, all good. We did best. We did our best. What up, Charlie? Para-para-pam. Under 69 level. Wow, wow.
updates. You are good to go to deploy. Call it. That's it. You're out of time. Look for a DZ on the drop-in.
Sorry, man. I'm coming.
Contact. Enemy infantry.
Your mission should be available. Get a move on. I'm counting on you.
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
I don't like sniper, man.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
Where? Yeah, very close.
Enemy contact in my AO. Bound over to that location. Request SMV over my position.
Roger. On the way.
Oh, I killed one. Only one left. He was very far.
Square yourself away. You're headed back in.
Bound over to that location.
Why whenever I use this zip line, I go up?
Your mission is up. It's marked on your map.
Danger zone. Watch yourself.
There's someone here.
Way to hit Pater. Intel like this can make all the difference.
Where is he, man? Pussy.
Get to that RV point! Move!
He missed that.
Check your mission. That's a good grab on that intel case.
Can you pick this, please?
Gadget up for grab! Enemy helicopter! Contact! Enemy infantry!
How do you go up or go down? Look. Ah, okay. They fixed it. They fixed it. Before it wasn't working this way. Nice.
Got a new mission ready.
Got eyes on a free shotgun. Extra rifle here.
The purple weapon.
Extra rifle marked. Seen a custom weapon crate here. Combat vehicle trailer marked.
Oh, it's close.
Make your way to that point.
All right, new mission is up. Mark on your map. Last one standing. Make it count.
Fuck, man. We got sandwich.
Your side's been wiped out. Next time, step it up.
So hard game, dude. Let me set myself a loadout, a better loadout. There was a better optic. Which one was that? This one? It wasn't this one, but I liked it. I like it. Maybe this one? Man, this one's crazy. We basically don't need a sniper if we have this one. It's crazy, man. This optic is bigger than this one, no? But it's more stable. Nice, nice, nice. We're gonna kill them all. Epicenter. Who's my teammate? Don't we have a teammate? Nice, we have a teammate. Hello, Zeus. I don't know why I keep the controller players always come to my lobby. Even though I have it disabled. What the heck, man?
صاحب
This guy
أصعد
is,
بابا أقول له صفة قولي له مريم
this guy is
أقول له
trolling.
صفة لا هاتي بالوحيد هاتي
This guy is trolling.
Unknown shooters running out of
بدي
target.
مريتي
Make sure you drop them all. Get ready to jump.
لا أكون بلعب زكي قال لي ثاني نلعب
Alright, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
زكي يكتب أنا اسمه آدم
La la la.
وي تحاول في ولا بيستوى ولا تسوي شو اللي يسوي العكس واو زفت لي وها هذا قول عايز تقول
Get to that RV plane!
متعب خرافي
Man, when this guy speaks my game sound
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
goes lower. I will have to meet this guy.
That's a good grab on that intel case.
تعال. Oh, he left the game. What the heck? Sometimes the game, I think, it crashes.
Check your mission. Alright, listen up. I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. Secure as many beacons as you can.
Okay, I'm gonna come for you.
Now regroup and get set.
I'm gonna come for you.
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Hey, got a ride over here!
I'm going back to there.
Combat vehicle trailer marked. Located open vehicle!
Hopefully we can make it.
There's a Vic over here!
Get away.
Mark on your map.
Bring the ammo, man.
The heat is coming in fast. Watch your sector. That is a major score. Way to go.
Sniper!
They are still busy.
I'm seeing a custom weapon crate here!
New mission available.
You're gonna catch them.
You've got a new mission ready. Enemy landing near you. Make them pay. Check your mission. Hostile dropping near your location.
Area mark, need smoke now.
Fuck, dude. Look, what is this game? What is this game? What the fuck are you guys doing there?
Roger that. Here it comes.
This is crazy, man. Crazy. Holy shit, it doesn't make sense.
Contact! Enemy infantry! Big win with that intel. Keep it up. Let's rally on that RV point. Move! Heads up. Spotted enemy vehicle. Move to that location. Target down. Stay alert. They're gonna come after you.
Got a mission objective over there. Let's move.
All objectives destroyed. Enemy won't have a track on you now.
There's a gadget at this location. Reference grid. Need immediate fire support.
Roger. On the way. Get your heads down. Incoming fire support.
In drone, please.
Mission available. Target is a high-value laptop. Retrieve the intel and pull the hardware. Data drive will be ready soon. Keep your head on a swivel. Solid find on that intel.
Nasıl Türksün?
Taking for more.
Selamünaleyküm.
Bring that data over to the exfil point on the double. Drone inbound. Taking fire! Current position's going to be overrun by NXC. Don't linger. The rifle here.
Helal kardeşim, helal.
Oh shit! Look out!
Ulan mermi yok mermi.
I need some ammo. I need MG belts. Rally on that location.
Bak gel burada şey var gel. Burada şey var. Yelek var.
Body armor marked. Got a mission objective over there. Let's move. Make your way to that point. Got enemy in sight. Spotted a custom weapon crate.
Make your way to that point.
Asset is secured. Keep it up.
There's a gear container right here.
Check your missions. You've got signals to intercept. See what you can do to track down the source.
Gonna need AT.
Contact. Hostile troops sighted.
Gonna need AT.
Lots of shooters out there. Stay on target.
Eyes on a machine gun. Got an enemy in sight.
Go 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 go.